Hey guys, I wanted to show you this birthday slime kit. This is a make your own birthday slime kit in one go. So I am going to unbox this with you guys and show you what is inside. Here's the fun stuff. We have mixed foam balls. We have little containers to put our slime in here. More fun goodies in here. This is happy birthday wording in there. We have stars, we have sprinkles, numbers, all kinds of little goodies that can go in there. Here are all of our different scents. We have chocolate, candy, we have different mix colors, so yellow, red, blue, brown, yeah, chocolate scent, strawberry scent, all of these different goodies in there. We have the soft clay. We have everybody's favorite, glitter. Some cute little charms, all little birthday themed charms in here. And then we have our activator, of course, and the magic foam soap. And it comes in this nice big container as well. Whoop, I missed this in there. But it comes with this big container as well for all of this. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be really fun. I'm going to love this little container that this comes in. Super cute. Here are our instructions. Save this to do with my daughter. She is going to be absolutely excited for this. To make our slime cake. Okay, it gives us the secrets to success, and it shows us all of the things that are going to come in our kit. So we're going to have this container that we can make it in. We have some measuring devices here. These are some little, this is like a little present. That's cute. We have some lids, spoon. This is the glue. Everything's very well labeled, which I love, and it's super cute. It's not like a boring label. I love the little drip that it has going on there. We have more measuring cups.